Hello, in this video I will show you how to change style values using one button with Jquery. To begin with, the result would be this. Clicking the change color button changes the color of the texts in the box. But if instead of that button you click the change size button, you change the size of the text. And if you click the two together, it would look like this. Well, for start, want to say that Jquery is a library of JavaScript, which aims to make things easier. First of all you need to have is the script. If you don't have the script, you need to download it or using the script by linking using a CDN content delivery network, like the one of Google, that you can find it in the description. Well, when you have it, let's start. Go to below the body part and link the script. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how it looks later. Once you have done that, we add some style to show how to change a background. We go inside the body, and in this case we put a red box with text inside. Two titles and the two buttons that I want to change. This is an example. Then we go to the script section and we put the script. Like I said, you can do it like this way. You have to download it and have it in the same folder like me or another. Just put the location of the file, or you can use one CDN like the Google one. You can find it in the description. After the Jquery, we open a new script, and we create a function. Inside we call the ID of the first button, which I called button 1. And we make it so that when clicked it activates and changes the following values. First we choose the ID or the class, and then from where it says CSS, you have to put the style that you want to put. In the first case I put the title ID, and then I add some style which is a new color. And the second case is the title too, where I did the same. Finally, the third case I called the class that it has the red box, and I made it change to blue color. On the other hand, we create another function for the second button that has like ID, button 2. And we do it again so that the function is activated when clicked. Inside I call the ID of the title. I put a style to increase the font size. And I make another one, for the text that is inside the box, that their class is blue box test, and I add some new style to make it increase the size too. That would be all. If you followed the steps correctly, you should have something like what you see on the screen.